Hello guys, so this is the cat cafe, or where the cat area where we have the cats. We have some cats now actually, ready to get neutered. But first they will need to be starved for, is it 12 hours?
Yeah,
12 hours?
12 hours, yeah.
Yeah.
But better 12.
Yeah. And then we bring them back here and they get to walk around here. And we have some people from the coworking space who can sit here and work and make sure the cats are not fighting and they're all behaving well. And we actually have some puppies now as well. Look how cute.
Oh, that's so cute.
Lou.
Is that snoring?
I think he's snoring. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Perfect,
Пока,
thank you very
мои,
much.
пока, мое солнце, пока, мой зайчик. Ниночка, Ниночка, не плачь, не расстраивайся, бусинка. Все хорошо, все хорошо. I'm sorry, I go.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Have a nice evening.
Bye. Bye.
She brought all these in?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! What? That's
So we are four already.
We are
Good.
just sitting around waiting for her delivery.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, these two are not exactly buddies. Like they're neighbors, but they don't really like
They
each
don't
other.
like each other?
Yeah, they will get used to it, I guess.
Otherwise we can also switch, you know,
Yeah, I mean,
if the cages
Yeah.
are safe.
Hi guys, I'm here with Carol, the project manager and the founder of this project. And yeah, I'm just gonna ask you some questions. So why did you start this project?
Well, I was here in June and I just saw so many hungry cats and also so many sick cats. And I just think cats should be with a human as well as dogs for sure. And yeah, so in my opinion, and yeah, a lot of other people share this opinion, there are too many cats without homes. And Matthias and I thought, then let's start a project. And then, yeah, this is how it started in the beginning, just with an idea, as always.
But now it's in full action.
Yeah.
Exciting. Yeah, okay, and next question. Why neuter or spray cats?
Well, yeah, as I said before, they are in very bad conditions, and they, we should just reduce the amount of cats dying because of hunger or sickness, or also maybe they are very sad. I don't know, like without love and without a real home. And this is why we neuter them, to reduce the population and therefore the suffering.
Yeah, I read a study by PETA that one female kitten and one female kitten and her offspring can produce 370,000 cats, right?
Crazy.
In 7 years. It's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, so that whole thing, wait, what?
370,000 cats, one female cat and her offspring in 7 years.
Really? Wow! Like all of her offspring together that she has total in her
exactly.
life?
Yeah, and the offspring
Okay.
itself. So it's like a butterfly effect. Like, it's
Whoa.
crazy. Yeah.
Caterpillar.
You're going to be in an interview, you know?
Yeah, you're gonna be famous.
I am?
The cat project.
I'm already famous.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. All right. Next question.
Why does this mean so much to you? I don't know, I'm just here. Sorry.
Okay. So, how does the cat catching process look like? Hello.
So the process looks like this. We take boxes with us together with food and some gloves because like the stray cats, they don't want to be catched obviously.
Yep.
And we put some food in the box, and then the cat goes into the box, and then we close the door and we bring it back to our cat cafe, and the next day they get neutered or spayed, and the other day they come back and we keep them for a day or two until they are again in good condition to leave us and to survive in the streets.
What has been the biggest challenges so far?
The biggest challenge is actually with the setup, so that enough people are long enough here to help for the project and so on, and also one very challenging situation is when you catch them and they realize it, and then they're gonna fight to like how do you say, like they're gonna fight so they won't die. They are really afraid of their lives.
Yes.
And this is really like the moment where it's very hard to see and
For the cats too, and
to keep them in the cage.
Yes, they're like ninjas. You're just like escaping when you thought it wouldn't be possible to escape. Yeah.
So this is like the emotional part, which is hard.
Yeah. Okay. So what have you learned so far about cats and cat neutering and everything?
Well, I learned that the costs of vets are extremely different, and we are very, very glad that we found a very skilled and also very cheap vet. So we try that like all the money from donations go to the vet or to the treatments, and we are very happy about this. And other than that, I for sure learned how to treat them, how to take care of them for the process and so on. And that's about it.
Last question: how does the future of this project look like?
I hope I can hand it over to someone else until like all donations have been spent at the vet. And then we will see. Maybe we will start another one next year. But we are happy to have started at some point, and now when everything is set up, I guess the execution gets easier and easier. We learn so much on the road. And I'm very much looking forward.
Yeah, and guys, if you want to stay updated about the project, we have made a Facebook page called The Cats of Bansko. All right, thank you so much, Harold.
Thank you, Julia.
Looks like one cat is escaping. How did he get out? How did he get out?
Okay, I need someone to stay right there between the viscous stuff.
Do we need the gloves? Is it? Oh, it's here.
Can you see it?
I cannot. Very good. Good job.
Like, why is this thing
Oh
on
my
down?
gosh.
I feel like that was like a Jurassic Park moment.
You know, when she like tried to like escape. Jurassic Park. It's good.
Hello. He lives close to my house, to my hotel.
Okay.
So I have to catch him.
Yeah.
But do you think? Okay, I can leave him here and.
Yeah. Sure. This is your box, right?
Yeah, that's my friend's box. That's
okay.
not mine. So, could you
Perfect.
mind if I put him in the other?
Yeah. I will do that. I'm Carol, by the way.
Nice to meet you.
But that one doesn't have its ear clipped.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why they didn't do it. Maybe they brought it to the vet here in town, which is useless, kind of.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Just put it in later.
Yeah. because they will thrash around.
He loves food. That's his favorite. Don't worry, we're gonna feed you. We promise.
This breaks my heart literally every single time. Buddy, I'm so sorry. You're gonna be fine. Yeah, Goldie, you're maybe not welcome here.
No, Goldie. Yes. Let's bring it in the bigger
let's get
cage.
it in now. So
Biggest cage. Yeah, it's so sad.
I know.
Yeah, it's getting crazy.
Nope. This is not well closed.
Whoa. No escaping.
Oh no!
How did that happen?
How did he escape? It was closed. Jesus. So
This was not a good cage then.
Oh fuck.
I mean, this happens all the time. Like,
Yeah.
it has to be realistic for the film as well. Like, this happens all the time.
Cat catching time. Some volunteers have already caught 6 cats, so we only have 4 more to go. But it's a fat one, I'm not sure.
What?
Maybe it's fat because it eats at the restaurants.
Do you mean if he lets himself, he's not? There's another one there.
Oh, isn't that one there? That's mama.
Yeah.
Mama dog.
Trailer.
Are you a house cat? You a house cat? Oh my gosh. The fur is so nice, it can't go straight.
Got it. Yeah, it's all locked. Okay. This time.
Now we are about to release the last cat for today. About 10 cats have already been neutered and spayed, and we always take them for 3 days into the cat cafe before we release them into the wild. Of course, it's the same spot where we originally caught them, and this one is coming out now and it's free again and it's happy, full success.